message equals OpenCap EAS feed configuration test message.
What goes on, everybody? This is the OG NorCal Dude 599, and I've got some friends here with me.
What's up?
Yeah.
Mox, why are you pointing? Why did you have your camera on your nose?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just getting ready for the zombie apocalypse, guys.
Well, yeah.
Guys.
As you can tell, we are 6 minutes away from this national test that's supposed to occur. I got my NDEC here ready.
Chandler's got his energy drink ready. Look at that. He's got a Java Monster. I already finished my first one. That's
Holy damn. So yeah, now we wait for the WEA portion, which will occur in about 4 minutes, and then the actual broadcast in 6 minutes.
I'm gonna clear my YouTube notifications so that way my suggestions don't pop up for the sake of privacy.
We are ready for this because this is gonna be, for in our eyes, being here for so many years doing this shit, you know, like EAS wise. We're literally used to this. We're getting literally used to this type of stuff. Oh, what?
Yes.
Oh. But people are just, you know, people don't understand the concept of EAS, literally.
They really don't.
No.
It's so funny, too.
Yeah.
I'm excited
So,
for this.
for the radios that all of us are going to be using to record this national emergency alert system test, I got my handy dandy little Spark right here. The Spark.
And on my end, I got my Spark, the SG-108, and the HDR-14. Now we'll be utilizing these three.
I got nothing. You got your cell phone.
Yeah, your cell phone should go off for the test.
Yeah, but Mox, what radios are you having? I'm not going to record my cell phone.
Oh, as you know,
You don't need,
Spark Gang.
you don't need
Yeah.
the phone. You can just,
Yeah, boy.
you just enjoy it.
I mean, I could just screen record.
SG-108
There you go. Actually, there you go.
Cool.
Screen record. There you go. Screen record.
4
And-
minutes, guys.
HDR-14.
Two minutes until the WEA.
2 minutes until WEA, 4 minutes until the actual test. It's showtime. There he is.
Oh my god, it's the apocalypse!
There it is.
What kind of fucking
Whoops.
crap was that?
Oh, there it is. National test.
Alright. Guys, look, there it is. Look, my phone. There it is. There it is.
I got mine too.
Yep, I just got mine.
And now the actual test. Spark.
More than Kelly Blue Book value based on the price of the car you pick.
And you know what? My old phone did not go off for it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, my old
Stand by,
Samsung
guys.
phone did
Radio's
not
out.
go off.
Radio's out. 1 minute. Oh shit.
But yeah, I got it.
Alright, we ready for the national test, guys?
Yes, we are.
Leader. It's going to be a Wednesday.
Actor. Yeah.
Enough money.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required. Covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. to 40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test.
And to protect.
Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public. Of the emergency alert. This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States. Covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Politics.